open this website and you will find these three links. Download all these three files. All these files are now downloaded. Now I will extract all these two zip files. Meanwhile, I will install this Win32 disk imager tool. Insert the USB and format this. Now open Win32 disk imager tool and browse for the image file which is earlier we have extracted, and then select the drive on which we are going to copy we are going to install this image. So in my case it is drive E. Make sure that you select the correct drive. Now click on the write and wait for the few minutes. Now it's done. Close everything. It is asking to format the disk. Cancel that, ignore that message, click OK and close everything and open. Go back to this folder and according to your graphics card, copy config.plist file. So in my case it is HD4600. So I will go to that folder and copy this config.plist to EFI partition of the bootable drive. Go to the EFI folder. There is a Clover folder and paste it here, and that's it. Now close everything and eject the USB. Now you can use this drive to install Hackintosh.